Since 1995, physician practices both large and small have been turning to M3-Patient experience for help with increasing patient retention and advocacy. The M3 system is easy to implement, simple to use, and requires little additional time or effort from the user. Let's look at how the M3-Patient experience process works. At the end of a visit, the patient has an opportunity to provide feedback via an in-office device or receive a personalized text message or email soon after the office visit. The practice's message to the patient is straightforward. First, thanking the patient for their visit, and then extending an invitation to provide feedback regarding their most recent office visit. Patient feedback is customized to fit the individual goals of the physician practice. Standard Likert scales are utilized to measure all relevant stages of the patient experience, including core CG CAPS items and other relevant national benchmarks, all provided via M3 in real time or near real time. Immediately upon submitting online feedback, details of the patient's experience are merged into the M3 database. If a patient provides feedback that may warrant follow-up, real-time warnings are triggered, and a heads-up alert is sent to frontline managers. Managers are prompted to perform immediate service recovery, resolving patient experience issues, and most importantly, fostering or rebuilding patient trust and loyalty. The M3 dashboard displays the status of any patient feedback that require follow-up until all issues are resolved and the appropriate action has been taken. Leadership uses the survey overview for an easy-to-read heads-up dashboard. Areas for potential service improvement are quickly identified, and unique service patterns are aggregated by groups of providers for individual provider practices. Top box and average scores by question are displayed for select providers or practices with benchmark comparisons to location, clinic, organization-wide, medical GPS's global database, and other national benchmarks. As service improvement measures are implemented organization-wide or at the practice level, positive results are updated nightly, depicting month-to-month and year-over-year trends, allowing leadership the ability to analyze the impact of training programs, service improvement initiatives, new personnel performance, and determine areas for further improvement. The Global Medical GPS database is continuously updated. Your organization will be able to compare your results to the global results for key performance indicators that your organization has identified as the most relevant and important. The survey question that has the strongest correlation to patient loyalty is, I would recommend this practice to family and friends. This example from a 3,000-plus provider organization is representative of M3 customers that deploy and embrace M3-Patient experience. The number of respondents answering strongly agree rose by over 13 percentage points. Patients that provide a strongly agree rating are 6 times as likely to remain loyal to the practice as compared with patients that provide a lower rating. Imagine the increased repeat business, improved financials, and enhanced clinical outcomes that result from such a huge number of patients being 6 times more likely to remain loyal to the practice. This is just one example of how medical GPS is positively impacting patient experience in physician practices across the U.S. Is your practice ready to get started? Contact us today to receive a full personalized walkthrough for your organization.